Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with any CRM in just minutes. This is a game changer if you're looking to streamline your workflow and connect your GoHighLevel account with the CRM tools you already use. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the GoHighLevel homepage, you'll need to sign in to your account. Look for the login or sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then enter your email and password to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your GoHighLevel features and integrations. Once you're logged in, navigate to your sub-account. This is where you'll manage specific client or business accounts within GoHighLevel. After you've opened your sub-account, take a look at the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled App Marketplace. Click on it to open the Marketplace page, which is essentially your one-stop shop for all the integrations and apps you can connect with GoHighLevel. Now, on the Marketplace page, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find filtering options. These filters help you narrow down the apps based on what you're looking for. Click on the option named Categories. This will expand the menu and reveal various app categories. Since we're specifically looking to integrate a CRM, scroll through the categories until you find the CRM filter and click on the checkbox next to it. This will instantly display only the CRM-related apps available for integration. From the list of CRMs that now appear, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. For this tutorial, let's select Zoho CRM by all the apps. Click on it to proceed. You'll be redirected to the app overview page, which provides detailed information about the app. Here you can review the app category, pricing details, who can install it, and the current app version. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the features to ensure it meets your requirements. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on the Install button located at the top right corner of the page. A pop-up menu will appear, asking you to select the specific account you want to integrate this CRM with. Choose your account from the list and click Continue. That's it. You've successfully initiated the integration process, and your GoHighLevel account is now connected with your chosen CRM, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.